10 people facing federal charges of attempted murder. Prosecutors saying an Alvarado police officer and correctional officers attacked at an ICE detention facility. This is back on Friday. Shots were fired, and now 3 days later, our Marvin Hurst tonight with more on what authorities are calling an ambush.
An added barrier of security outside of the ICE detention center in Prairieville. Officials have been on edge here since the night of July 4th, around 10:35.
It was a planned ambush with the intent to kill ICE corrections officers. Make no mistake, this was not a so-called peaceful protest.
North Texas's acting U.S. Attorney Nancy Larson says 10 to 12 people came to this facility dressed in black military-style clothes, using fireworks and vandalizing all kinds of property to lure officers into a trap.
The graffiti had such words as traitor, ice pig, other profanity.
Prosecutors describe it as an ambush. They tell us the suspect was hiding in a wooded area near the prison. They say that he opened fire on an Alvarado police officer, shooting him in the neck. They also tell us a second suspect opened fire, shooting some 20 to 30 rounds. They found an AR-style rifle, they say, here at the scene.
Today, my office has charged 10 individuals with 3 counts of attempted murder of a federal officer.
Those suspects face additional charges, and a so-called accomplice faces charges of conspiracy and obstruction of justice.
Violence, threats of violence, and attempts of vandalism at our ICE facilities will not deter our officers from fulfilling their duties.
ICE's leader in Dallas says the numbers have gotten worse for his agents.
Within ICE alone, our officers and agents are facing a 700% increase in assaults.
In Alvarado, Marvin Hurst, CBS News, Texas.